Hello, welcome to Sunday Morning Builds. Here we have this week the second part of the Sonic release, Sonic the Hedgehog. We have Miles Tails Prower, which is number 214 in the Brickheadz collection, and set number 40628. Now, Miles comes with 131 pieces, great orange, nice contrast to the blue of Sonic. I expect it to be similar build with the feet, and last time I was impressed with the build of Sonic, with the different use of the feet, which is a great change from what we usually get with Brickheadz, but also some of the parts around the back here of the head, all very, very good. But what my most impressive part of these two are the different coloured eyes, which is completely different to most of the Brickheadz range. So let's get into Miles and see how it goes. Sonic was a 17-minute build, so I'm expecting Miles to be slightly easier, so maybe around 15 minutes. Here we go. Welcome back and thank you for hanging around. Here we have set number 40628, Miles Tails Prower, Brickhead number 214. What a cracking looking set. This is really quite striking, and what I didn't pick up on the box here was just the tail. I didn't get a clear indication of the tail at all when I looked at the box, but that was very, very different when it comes to Brickheadz. But great little build, which came with a couple of little surprises in the build. Nothing really to note, just I wasn't expecting this one to be built in this way. I expected it to be very similar here to Sonic. Probably the piece, the technique that stands out is the headpiece, the ears here. If I was to take off, if I can, the top here we go. This actually just slides out. So the way that they've done it, instead of locking it into place with the studs, it actually slides into place and then gets locked in over the top. So that was a very good creative way of displaying the headpiece and the ears. So that's probably all I really wanted to highlight in this build. The colors are striking. The eyes, again, love the different colored eyes, and the representation of this character is just really well thought out and executed. So there we have it. The Sonic range, Sonic and Miles, two great looking sets. Very lucky to have them on display. And I think, as I mentioned with Sonic, great little stocking filler. I think in Australia these come in at about $15 to $17 retail, so as a single set. There we are. Miles was a 13-minute build, where Sonic was a 17-minute build. Hope you've enjoyed that. So until next time, bye for now.